breath سا اغستل. take a deep breath یو جوور سا واخلا. take a deep breath. characteristic خصوصیت. honesty is a good characteristic. ایمانداری یو ښه خصوصیت دی. honesty is a good characteristic. consume استعمالول. he consumes a lot of sugar. هغه ډیره چینی استعمالی. he consumes a lot of sugar. excite پرجوش کول. the news excited her. خبر هغه پرجوش کړه. the news excited her. fear یره. she has fear of heights. هغه د اوچتوالي نه یریږي. she has fear of heights. fortunate بختور. I am fortunate to have good friends. زه بختور یم چې ښه ملګري لرم. I am fortunate to have good friends. happen وشو. what happened here. دلته څه چل وشو. what happened here. length اوږدوالی. the length of this table is 2 meters. د دې میز اوږدوالی 2 میټره دی. the length of this table is 2 meters. mistake غلطی. everyone makes mistakes. غلطیانی د هر چا نه کیږي. everyone makes mistakes. observe مشاهده کول. scientists observe the stars. ساینسدانان د ستورو مشاهده کوي. scientists observe the stars. opportunity موقع. this is a great opportunity for you. دا ستا دپاره یو بهترین موقع ده. this is a great opportunity for you. prize انعام. she won the first prize. هغې اولنی انعام وګټو. she won the first prize. race منډه. he won the race. هغه منډه وګټله. he won the race. realize احساس کېدل. I just realized my mistake. ما ته اوس د خپلې غلطۍ احساس وشو. I just realized my mistake. respond ځواب ورکول. please respond to my message. مهرباني وکړه زما د پیغام ځواب راکړه. please respond to my message. risk خطره. he took a big risk. هغه یوې غټې خطرې سره مخ شو. he took a big risk. wonder حیران. I wonder what he is thinking. زه حیران یم چې هغه څه فکر کوي. I wonder what he is thinking. yet تر اوسه پورې. I haven't finished my work yet. ما تر اوسه پورې خپل کار نه دی بشپړ کړی. I haven't finished my work yet. بشپړ کړی یعنی مکمل کړی. academy درسګاه. she studies at a famous academy. هغه په یو نامتو درسګاه کې سبق وایي. she studies at a famous academy. ancient پخوانی. This is an ancient temple. دا یو پخوانی مندر دی. This is an ancient temple. Board تخته. He wrote on the board. هغه په تخته ولیکل. He wrote on the board. Board خطل. He boards the boat. هغه کشتی ته هیجی. He boards the boat. Century پیړۍ. The 21st century is full of technology. 21مه پیړۍ د فنیات نه ډکه ده. The 21st century is full of technology. Clue نښه. The police found a clue. پولیس ته یو نښه میلاو شوه. The police found a clue. Concert محفل موسیقي. We enjoyed the concert. موږ د محفل موسیقۍ نه خوند واغست. We enjoyed the concert. County ضلع. He lives in a small county. هغه په یو وړوکي ضلع کې اوسیږي. He lives in a small county. Dictionary قاموس. Use a dictionary to find meaning. د معنی کتلو د پاره قاموس استعمال کړه. Use a dictionary to find meaning. Exist شته. Do ghosts exist? آیا پیریان شته. Do ghosts exist? Flat خانه. They live in a big flat. هغوی په یوه غټه خانه کې اوسیږي. They live in a big flat. Flat پنچر. My tire is flat. زما ټیر پنچر دی. My tire is flat. Flat اوار. The ground is flat here. دلته ځمکه اواره ده. The ground is flat here. Gentleman ښاغلی. He is a true gentleman. هغه یو ریښتونی ښاغلی دی. He is a true gentleman. Hidden پټه. The treasure is hidden under the tree. خزانه د ونې لاندې پټه ده. The treasure is hidden under the tree. Maybe امکان لري. Maybe he will come today. امکان لري چې هغه نن راشي. Maybe he will come today. Officer افسر. The officer checked my documents. افسر زما کاغذات وکتل. The officer checked my documents. Original اصلي. This is an original painting. دا یو اصلي نقاشي ده. This is an original painting. Pound pound. He paid 10 pounds. هغه 10 پونډه ورکړل. He paid 10 pounds. Process عمل. Learning is a continuous process. زده کړه یو مسلسل عمل دی. Learning is a continuous process. Extreme سخت. He is facing extreme weather. هغه د سخت موسم سره مخ دی. He is facing extreme weather. Pound په زور وهل. He pounded the door with his fists. هغه ور په خپل سوک په زور ووهو. He pounded the door with his fists. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو لپاره د چینل PE Everyone سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نور چې کوم ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.